So guys, if you want to hide notch or chain notch style on your Redmi 15A, then don't worry about it. There's a quick and simple method to solve the issue easily. Just follow the steps shown on your screen and your problem will be fixed. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more. Let's fix it.